This segment is sponsored by keysbuff.com. Keysbuff.com is a website that sells official license key to unlock your softwares and games. They sell keys for softwares, games, and they even have gift cards on their website. As an example, I'm going to show you guys how to buy the Windows 10 key. So I'm going to search for Windows 10, look for the key I want to buy for Windows 10, click buy now, and enter your exclusive code ST28 to get 28% off your key. Again, the viewers of my channel can get an additional 28% off with my code ST28 when you check out. After you enter the code, just press apply and submit your order. After that, you just have to wait to receive your key, and after that, you just need to input your key to the computer to activate Windows. A huge thank you to Keysbuff for sponsoring this segment of today's video. Check them out in the links in the description below at keysbuff.com.